looking for. It's also the end of the power play. 6 done, 37. And they've been entertained. End of the power play, 6 overs gone. Dipender Singh Ari back with the ball, coming in for his third. 1 for 19, had a really good shout in his previous over as well.
Yeah, what a contest. 37 for 5, chasing 124.
Big shout again. Umpire says not out again.
Joshua Tromp broke the shackles there. 5 dots and then a terrific shot. Through the covers.
Bowled him! Right through the gates, and it's the skipper. Dipender Singh Ari can do no wrong, and with some acrobatics out there as well. What a talent he is! And that is going to be the end of Jimmy Neesham.
Yeah, terrific bowling, stump to stump. That's all he's got to do, Dipender Singh Ari. You miss, I hit. Across the line, Jimmy Neesham. Here's that dead sound of death, hitting off and middle. And look at that for a celebration. That's not easy. That's how fit the man is. Dipender Singh Ari. Jimmy Neesham goes for 4, and it's 37 for 6.
Well, they've just come in clumps, both innings now. The bowlers have had an ecstatic time out in the middle. It's going to be Harmeet Singh who comes back with the ball. Harmeet Singh flying in all the way from Guyana. Just finished the Global Super League there. And straight back into action here at the Nepal Premier League. The Bolts fans, they've still got some energy in them. They still believe. Looks like it might just have been drifting down, but they're all up. Every ball, every single ball is an event.
Harmeet and Joshua Tromp, compatriots, both ply their trades in the United States. Yeah, that was drifting down leg. Going on with the arm, that's what makes it tough. And the next one's going to spin. Beautifully bowled.
Oh, this could have been a goner. He would have been gone, I think. Needed a better throw.
It's all action here. Dipender Singh Ari, the fielder, when he's in action, there's no shortage of excitement. Slightly wild, Bhandari collects well but just misses. Arnika Yadav, desperate dive. All's well that ends well. Harmeet, none for 2 of 1.2. What's Arnika Yadav got? He's got a deep mid-wicket, he's got a deep square leg. He's got a leg slip in place. Fielders running helter-skelter.
Everyone's got their heart in their mouths with every single delivery.
That was a big wicket. Jimmy Neesham tried to swing across the line. It was straight. Just missed it. That's sound. And look at that for a celebration.
The celebration was something from Dipender Singh Ari. Heaved down the ground, and that's going to be the 7th. Harmeet Singh strikes. Fantastic scenes out here in the middle from the Royals. Didn't put on a lot of runs, but they're defending it in some fashion.
That's the only shot that Arniko Yadav could have played, but he picked out the fielder. And Dipendra Singh Airi had positioned himself on purpose. He knew this was coming. Look at how straight he was. Perfect catch. Ecstatic Harmeet Singh. His first wicket. He's in the game now. 46 for 7. Arniko Yadav goes for 1. And there's still a long way to go.
Sounds easy, but it's very difficult.
I like Joshua Trump. He's making it look easy. I love the calmness. He's unhurried. He's playing the game at his own pace. And that's what's required when you come across a surface like this. It's not going to be easy, but you've got to find the tempo. And he's doing that very well. He's controlling the pace of the game.
Oh, that's come in. Bamboozling the batter.
It's easy to play a big shot and get out. It's easy to panic as a batter. But what I've liked about Joshua Trump in his brief stay is that he's been in control. He's controlled the tempo. And he's looked good with his footwork as well.
Tossed up. Missing the outside edge.
Yeah, this was Arniko Yadav. Tossed up in the arc, but was perfectly positioned himself. Dipendra Singh Airi, comfortable catch.
Calls for catch it again. This has gone straight up in the air, and that's going to be the 8th. Narain into the attack with the ball, and he too picks up a wicket. 47 for 7, and this seems to be going in one direction only.
47 for 8, you make that. What have you just done, Sher Mullah? You've got a batter who's batting at the other end. All you need to do was hang in there and let him do the scoring. And if possible, get him on strike. This is a nothing shot, according to me. Straight up in the air, easy catch. And the procession continues. Abhinash Bora,
and another one bites the dust. This time it's Lalit Rajbanshi who walks out to the middle. Shri, if we dialed that number on the batting card, I wonder who we would reach. 04570410.
It looks like a Nepal code. Maybe you'll reach Pokhara or Lumbini.
Full face of the bat and defended.
I think Joshua Trump has to take all the strike if possible. He's the only one that can get any close to the target. Rajbanshi could have played forward if I have to be critical. But that's literally unplayable. And he knew as soon as the ball hit his pad, he started walking. Harmeet Singh is terrific. But Joshua Trump, feel for him. 13 of 13, young man, well tried. 47 for 9. And it's just the formalities that are to be completed.
Tossed up, left alone. the Amoda car, our official automotive partner, the fastest growing brand in the world. Correction, Blade battery technology, very futuristic. Ooh, that's a ripper. Just missing the outside edge.
How do you play that? I love the color, must say. It's a beautiful car. We had the fortune of riding in one of it, but it was unbelievably comfortable. I love the touch screen.
Needs to get a bit closer, Harmy, if he wants to finish this for his side. At least they're smiling out in the middle.
Just can't put bat on ball here. Terrific bowling from Harmeet.
How is that? The question's asked. The finger stays down, and that's going to be the halfway point. 10 gone. The bowls 47 for 9.
Did you bring the leathers?
I didn't bring the levers. I wasn't expecting it to be this cold, but it's a lovely bike. I won't mind a spin on it while we're here. But watch this here. Much needed runs for the bolts. And it comes where it's a full toss, little bottom edge. Fine, runs away for the boundary. It seems the only way they're going to get a run is through a poor delivery, because it's turning. The odd one's bouncing and turning, and the odd one's going straight on with the arm and keeping low. Good luck.
I'm just a little bit concerned that this might be the end of Scott Kugelheim in the Royal setup. If these surfaces continue to turn, will seem be needed.
I think they're going to have to find a way, aren't they, the teams, where they've got to attack. If left-hander comes in against a left-arm spinner with a shorter boundary, you've got to attack it. You've got to almost use the old-fashioned pinch hitter. Come in and just tee off.
Well, that's the end of another one. 11 gone, 51-20 game. But finding the outside edge is proving trickier with the amount of turn that is on offer for Hamid.
But it's the difference, isn't it? It's the odd one turning and bouncing, then the one that goes straight on with the arm and keeps a little bit low is the one that gets the wickets.
Well, that's it, isn't it? You leave that alone thinking it'll miss off stump, and it goes straight on and just clatters into your shin bone. Because we've seen a few LBWs. Final delivery of the Hamid spell. There'll be no interest from the man in red. That'll conclude the spell, and what a spell it's been. Wait for it. 2 for 2 in 4.
You'd back yourself, wouldn't you, as a seamer? I know it's turning, but as a seamer coming into the attack, bit of pace, you'd fancy yourself to knock one of these over.
What are you doing here? Length or the Yorker?
Bouncer. No, I'm kidding. I would go for just that length ball. It's stopping in the pitch a little bit. Like I say, it's very, very dry. Started off frosty and damp this morning, but now it's dry.
Looks for the Yorker, gets the wicket. It only takes one delivery for Scott Kugelheim, and the Royals have done the unthinkable. They have defended 123, and they've won by an enormous margin.
Amazing performance.